Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PowerPoint presentation on my Microsoft PowerPoint and I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot. First of all, you need to go to the record menu on the PowerPoint presentation. Then you can simply click on screenshot right here. And you'll be able to take screenshot of the available windows if you want to take screenshot of your available windows. And you can also select screen clipping. Okay, you can choose the screen you want to screenshot, and we need to select the screenshot area like this. And as you can see guys, that the screenshot has been taken. Okay, but to make you easier, I recommend you to prepare the screen you want to screenshot. For example, I'm going to screenshot my Spotify, so I need to open up my Spotify first, and then we can go to the PowerPoint and select record. Okay, then click on screenshot, and then you can choose the available windows like this. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!